how to get free ringtones on iOS. So there's two apps you'll need, is GarageBand and Documents, and they're both free apps from the App Store. So first of all you want to go to Documents, and then you want to go to the Safari bit, swipe along, go to this website, I'll link it in the description. Then you want to find, you want to go to your YouTube app, and I wanted to download this. You want to press the three lines, press share, press copy link, see it's copied. Then you want to go back into document, you want to paste the link in, convert. It's going to do this. When it's done, then you want to press download. Then you obviously see it's going to download. Then you're going to save it into, I save it into iCloud, and you press done. And you see it's here. And this is obviously the song. This song.
This is the 9 side.
I'll just pause that. And then you want to go to GarageBand. Then you want to go to the voice, the three lines, loop, audio files, if it'd work. I think my iPad's broken. Then you want to go to audio files, that's what. Browse items from the files app. As you can see, it's this one. You want to press it. It's going to come up. Obviously you shouldn't have any. It's this one. You hold it, put it to the first one, import an audio file. Then you press this, my songs. Then you hold it, share, ringtone, export. And you obviously have named it it's obviously named My Song. Okay, and then you want to go to settings, sounds, then you can see My Song. See, and then it'll work. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, turn them notifications on, and I'll be back with another video tomorrow.